for our video recording purposes of the demonstration, we will be working with our hoods raised all the way just so that the reflection of the glass doesn't interfere with our recording. So please note that this is not the correct way to be working in the hood, but we have the hood sashes raised only so that the glass reflection does not interfere with our recording. Today we are doing dehydration of 2-methyl cyclohexanol. The glassware that we need for today's experiment are kept here. First of all, we need a 5 milliliter long neck round bottom flask because this experiment is done in a semi-macro scale. You also notice that there is a magnetic stir bar inside this clean and dry 5 milliliter round bottom flask. We need this 3-way connecting condenser. Both of these pieces come from the micro scale kit that you have been provided with. We need a thermometer. We need this rubber adapter. This is a thermometer adapter. Take out the wax pencil from the drawer. Also have a couple of clean and dry pasture pipettes, a small beaker, clean and dry reaction tube. Get some sand in a 100 ml beaker. Have a 250 ml beaker ready. We will use this to fill it with ice in which the reaction tube will be placed. And the last piece that you need is this connecting rod with the rubber adapter. So these are all the glassware that you want to have ready before you get any chemicals. Now, the mechanical part of the experiment. What are the things that we need here? You notice that I have a ring stand. Also notice that I have 2 wooden blocks and I have kept the magnetic stirrer on top of these 2 wooden blocks. We have the heating mantle on top of the stirrer. I have a jack, and anytime you're using a heating mantle, this needs to be connected to the variac as you have seen before. So I have the variac here. I also got some ice ready for the experiment. The variac is connected to the outlet and the heating mantle is plugged in to the variac. You do not want to plug in the heating mantle directly to the outlet. Also, the stirrer, the magnetic stirrer, is plugged in to the outlet here. So we have to have all of this ready before we start the experiment. As you know, we are starting with 2-methyl cyclohexanol today and getting alkenes as our products, 3-methyl cyclohexene and 1-methyl cyclohexene. How does this dehydration take place? We need an acid catalyst, as you are aware of. What is the acid that we are going to use? We will be using phosphoric acid. So that is what we have here. You will be taking about 0.5 milliliter of phosphoric acid. So you will just use this 1 ml disposable pipette and measure up to this mark here where my finger is. Then you have taken about 0.5 milliliters. It's used as a catalyst, so it does not matter if you are a little below or little above that mark. And then our starting material, 2-methyl cyclohexanol. This you want to take exactly the amount that you want to start with. We are going to be starting with 2.5 milliliters of 2-methyl cyclohexanol. So we will use a syringe. This is a 3 milliliter syringe, as you notice. So you are going to withdraw the liquid up to 2.5 or 2.5 milliliter mark and take that much. Then I have oxylene or orthoxylene, which is used as a chaser solvent. You need to take about 2 milliliters of oxylene. You have this pipette again, and there is the 1 ml mark where my finger is. You are going to take twice that amount since you want to take 2 milliliters. And for the workup, we have saturated sodium chloride solution, that is for drying the layers, and then the anhydrous drying reagent, potassium carbonate, is kept in this jar. So these are the chemicals that we need for the first part of the experiment.